in there. It's gonna happen.
Well, okay, now how do you know that?
Because she's your lobster.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down.
You're Ross and Rachel.
Look, you and I both know we are perfect for each other.
You know how Ross and I have always been on again, off again, on again, off again?
This is Rachel, you know?
It's Ross. I guess I just figured that somewhere down the road, he would be on again.
The guy who's not going to stop planning his future with you. Because he knows we're going to end up together.
I'm still in love with you.
But he's obviously still in love with his friend.
Because I love you.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I love you, too.
I don't know if anything is ever going to happen with us again, ever. But I don't want to know that it never could.
Captured, got me wrapped up in your touch.
Back in high school, I had a major crush on you.
Hold me tight within your clutch.
Okay, well here we are. Now we're in a tough spot again.
If things were the other way around, there is nothing you could put on the list that would ever make me not want to be with you.
Then I guess that's the difference between you. I'd never make a
You can't just kiss me and think you're gonna make it all go away, okay? It doesn't work that way. Just make it better.
Huh? Do you want to fight for us, or do you want to fail?
You're the one who ended it, remember?
Yeah, because I was mad at you.
You still love me.
Yeah, so you love me. Proposal at the planetarium. Just make that up.
Well, actually, I thought about it when we were going out. That's how I imagined I would ask you to marry me.
Just so you know, or you might get everything you wanted since you was 15. With us, it's never off the table.
And now you can actually do it. Finally get over it.
I can't even begin to explain to you how much I am gonna miss you. When I think about not seeing you every day, it makes me not want to go.
I want to get over her. I know you love me.
We're worth the wait. And I don't just mean tonight.
Did you get off the plane?
I got off the plane.